Today we have a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is "She Tried Flirting with the Wrong Officer. It Backfired."
Can you open the door, step out, please? Just leave your purse inside.
I'm going to
Just leave your purse inside. You don't need it. I just want to talk to you, okay?
I'm on the way to Key West to the shelter, homeless shelter.
Okay, why are you slurring your speech? Ma'am, you are impaired. You're all over the road. I can visibly see that you did away.
What do you mean?
Did you take any medication, drugs, or have anything to drink? Nothing. That's not what I see. You're not safe to drive, okay? You almost crashed into my car.
Oh my God, really?
And I'm doing investigation for DEI right now, okay?
No, I'm not DUI, honey.
I'm not honey. Do I look like honey to you? Do you look like a honey to you?
Why are you mad at me? I never did.
Because you almost crashed your car into my patrol car. Stay over there, okay? Bahama Mama, premium cocktail, 10% alcohol.
It's for friends. I had some friends on the way here. Why are you upset with me? I don't understand. I just want to go to the homeless shelter and see.
You're not going anywhere at this point. You understand me? You're not in condition to drive.
I understand, but I'm saying I was going to the homeless shelter. Tow my car, take it to the tow. I gotta go to the homeless shelter.
You shouldn't be driving the condition you are right now, okay? You are impaired. It's either way alcohol.
How do you know I'm impaired?
Because I can tell, because I'm trained and I have a lot of experience with impaired drivers, okay?
Are you Hungarian?
I'm not, it doesn't matter. I'm from Monroe County,
When I go
okay?
to the shelter, I have to file this lawsuit. It's very heavy money for my dad. Arrest the car because it's my dad's.
Arrest the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm an honest driver and an honest, safe driver.
I understand that.
They stole my license when I got here. All I want to do is file on my Uncle Michael.
Would you like to participate in some kind of sobriety exercises to disprove my belief that you are impaired?
What do you mean? If I do the exercises, I'll get out of it?
I didn't say that. Taking those exercises are voluntary. So if you're going to refuse those exercises, I'm going to have to make my decision based on the observations I have now. It can be used against you in a court. The fact that you refuse those exercises.
I don't want to go to jail.
I'm giving.
I want to go to
I'm giving
the
you
shelter.
an option.
I want to file on my uncle.
Ma'am, I'm giving you an option. Take the exercise.
Okay, I'll take it.
Sobriety, you're going to take it. Okay.
Are you single?
I'm not single.
Not yet.
Not yet. Come over here.
Okay, you need to keep your head still, okay?
I'm sorry, don't move my head. Okay, I'm sorry.
Only your eyes. You're not looking at the light, you're looking at me.
I do.
Okay, you need to...
I'm sorry, you're beautiful.
Okay, what I'm gonna tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel...
What do you mean, like ballet? Naked on my... Honey, I have no business.
Ma'am, I'm not honey.
Underwear.
Don't call me honey, please, okay? I'm not honey. Everything is covered, okay? You...
Listen, she's doing everything in her power. Everything in her power to persuade these officers, man. She throwing everything that she got, man, at it, you know. Everything she got, man. She throwing out the compliments. Honey, are you single? I have no drawers on. You know, she doing everything she got to do. Now, this is the scary part, right? Because it's like, I know most law enforcement guys is not going for this. Most are not. You know what I'm saying? They doing their thing. They there to get a paycheck and keep it pushing. You know what I mean? But there are some, small percentage, but there's some that might fall for this. Now think about those officers. That's scary, man. You know what I'm saying? Persuaded. Boy, she said she got no drawers on. That means she hot and ready to go.
Choose not to wear the underwear, not me, okay?
During the exercise, she repeatedly missed the heel-to-toe steps, failing to place her feet as instructed.
We're gonna pass on this exercise, okay? We're gonna go to the next one. When I'm gonna tell you to begin, you're gonna raise one leg.
I don't do low.
Okay.
I'm a ballerina. You understand? I don't
Okay.
do low.
All right. Put your shoes on, please.
I don't do low.
Just put your shoes on.
1,000 what? 1,000.
Man, listen to my instructions. Put your
And go where?
shoes on.
You're gonna arrest me? For what?
Yes.
Why? Wait a minute. For what?
Stop.
You're abusing me. For why?
What's wrong with you? You need to start listening.
Why are you abusing? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can lift my legs up. I'll listen. Can you give me a chance? Stop handling me like this. I'm a woman. What the f What's wrong with you?
Have a seat.
You're hurting my arm.
I'm gonna
Ow.
physically put you into this car.
I know. I'll physically put myself. You're hurting my arm.
Get into
Just
the
take
car.
a seat, please.
Please get in the car.
Can you please go to the station with me?
There is no station.
Then where the you
You're
taking
going
me?
to the jail.
To jail.
Yes.
Where the jail? You're gonna tow my car?
Yes.
It's very expensive.
This is last time until you take a seat, you're gonna be charged with resisting.
Just why are you handling me like
Take
that?
a seat. Because you don't comply.
I comply. You're just.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
How old are you? 41. You're a 41-year-old grown woman. Sit up straight.
I am. Stop. I'm.
Just take a seat.
Why are you doing that, a woman? You're a guy. You're abusing me. Stop. Stop hurting me.
Slide over or something.
Stop. Why are you doing that, a woman? You're handcuffing me like that?
Yeah.
Officer, what?
Rowdy.
You're very nice, but this one's not, and you're nice.
I appreciate that.
You need to step out.
I'm telling you, I feel poisoned
Ma'am, you're not being poisoned. You're drunk. You're poisoned with what?
from last night.
From last night.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've been poisoned for more than 24
I'm
hours
gonna take
now.
a f***ing blood test and see what's in my system.
Okay.
Okay? I don't do drugs, sir. They can take my blood, you know?
I hear you. I'll let the nurse know, okay?
I don't want you near me!
It's not your decision to make.
I don't want you to touch
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
No.
He's just giving
Ma'am.
a lawful order.
He's abused me since the car. He
Face
scares
up.
me. He scares me, ma'am.
Stand up.
No.
I wanna.
Stand up.
I wanna.
No, I don't want
wanna-
you to touch me.
There you go.
Get away from me.
Please don't spit now.
I'm not, but I'm really vomiting. I'm poisoned.
If you feel like you're gonna
I don't
come
want
up
him
with spit, please
touching
do so
me
in
with
that
those gloves. Anybody but him, I can't have him touch
He's not touching you. He's not
I
touching
don't want to see that, man.
you. Okay.
Why are you being so nasty to me? I'm not answering. You're disgusting. You handled me back in your car and that I didn't want to go in the f***ing arrest for no reason. Why can't you bring the woman here? What is this? Are you that fucking low on staff? You know, you were the fucking, excuse me, ma'am. You're looking at me like I'm a
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, in all seriousness, I mean, law enforcement in general is just low on staff. Like, no one wants those jobs, honestly. Not nowadays.
criminal. I'm not a criminal. What's the problem?
Yeah, you are too drunk to drive.
I'm not drunk. I
Impaired.
told you. I was poisoned.
You're being charged with DI and resisting
Why?
arrest.
Why? And I resist arrest whenever you f***ing put me down. So you're double charging me for what?
I'm not double charging you. You have two charges, correct?
For what?
I already told you.
Oh, you're scared of me? Like I don't want to get arrested and you f***ing tell me I'm
I already told you a couple of times.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't do that, honey. You're scared of me and you're gonna file that just because you want to make money, honey?
I told you many times I'm not a honey, okay?
Yeah, you are because you're double charging me for nothing.
I'm not a honey. Don't call me honey.
So why are you charging me for citizen arrest?
You're gonna be charged with a resisting arrest,
When was
correct?
I resisting? You were scared of me and
Okay.
you're telling me I was that f***ing dangerous. Really?
You were not.
I'm a resisting arrest. How was I resisting arrest for your $3 that you just paid this month?
By not complying with our comments and
How
pulling
did I
away from
resist
us.
arrest?
I already told you. So, ma'am, I'm gonna give you a breath test. We're gonna measure alcohol content in your
Give me
breath.
all the bread. I don't want you to touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. I don't need to touch you to give you a
You
breath
made your
test,
money and you're
okay?
lying. There's no restraining resisting arrest.
So you're gonna have to wait 10 minutes, okay? So this test is gonna measure alcohol
But I
content.
don't want you to do it. I want somebody else to do it.
There is no anyone else
I'm
who
a
can do
nurse.
it.
You're not a nurse.
The nurse is not trained and
Well, what the
certified
f*** are
to
you
do it.
doing here? You're a fucking cop, now you're a nurse, now you're... What the f*** are you doing here?
I'm trained and qualified to make those tests. Okay?
No, you're not trained. Show
Okay.
me your badge.
Are you gonna take the breath test? Yes or
No.
no?
Negative.
Okay, that's your right. You don't have to take it, man.
No, I'm not going to do anything you say.
I'm saying you don't
I don't
have
want
to.
you to touch me.
However, I have to let you know if you're gonna refuse this test, you're gonna lose your driving license.
I'm going to refuse everything.
You're gonna lose your driving license for 1 year.
Fine.
Fine. Okay. Not yet. You do. I believe so.
What the f*** are you talking about, sir?
I was calling Galbo, but he was listed. Apparently, he's off today.
Can you help me, sir? He's been beating me and throwing me on the car. That's not a
Ma'am, that's never happened.
what? Let's reframe the camera.
It's everything on the cameras, ma'am.
You're not very nice and you're lying. You want to get fired? I was going to the shelter and you're f***ing throwing me in the car like a piece of shit.
We're still gonna have to go through the motions. I'm gonna give you a chance to
I
change
already
your
went through
mind.
your stupid bull.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you threw me in the car. You handcuffed me and you pushed me in the car.
Are you wearing any dentures like a forced teeth or partial play?
Yeah, I feel like I was forced to the arrest.
That's the way I'm asking. Do you have any
And you
dentures?
feel that I was forcing.
Are you wearing any dentures like a force?
Yeah, you're my fucking danger.
Dentures. Like,
Yeah, you are my danger, not dentures.
do you have anything in your mouth like a chewing
Yeah,
gum?
I have you in my mouth, in my brain. You need to be fired. I'm not resisting arrest. I was very nice to you. You're fired. You're done.
Can you stand up?
No, I can't. Not for you. If you touch me,
I'm not
I
touching
don't want to be
you.
around you.
We need to move to the other room.
No.
You
Go
wanna?
to the cameras, rewind.
You-
If you think that's a resisting arrest, you gotta go for fucking the whole fucking
You wanna
site.
spend here a
10,
more
15
time?
guys on the floor, that's a resisting arrest. They don't want to go, they got 5, 6, 10,000 tons of drugs on them. You're gonna tell me I'm resisting arrest and you're fucking crazy. What is your first name, sir? Because I have the right to ask your name.
My first name, it's not your business.
Yeah, it is, because you're fired. What's your first name? You arrested me.
You don't need to know my first name.
Oh, yeah, I'll find out in the court. Don't worry. Do the right arrest for the right people, motherfucker. Apologize about my bad language. But you know, you treat me like trash.
Okay, ma'am.
No, I'm not ma'am. I'm a bitch.
I'm now requesting that you submit
fired.
all of test of your breath for
No,
the
I
purpose
said
of
no,
determining
no,
its alcohol content.
No.
Were you gonna take the test?
No,
No,
never.
okay. If you refuse to take the test, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a
Wait a minute, motherfucker. Until
or
it's
18 months.
dignified.
Your
'Cause
driving
I'm
privilege has
poisoned,
been
and
previously
you're
suspended.
lying.
Urine or blood.
I don't care what
In addition, if you refuse to take the test, I have requested
I have my
for
rights
refusal to submit a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalties. You understand what I have just read?
No, I don't understand, because you're an idiot.
Because you
I don't call
are an idiot.
Can you write you should be fired?
So do you
Can
still
write that
refuse?
down?
So you just lost your driving license for 1 year.
Oh, really? You're a liar. I need a test to see what the is in my system. I'm poisoned. Do you understand?
Well, you probably shouldn't drink what you have been drinking.
No, sir. I feel somebody put something in my drink yesterday, last night. I need a blood test.
So you're forcing yourself to vomit?
Hello?
No? Okay, there's something I need to read it to you, okay? Can you listen to me for a second?
What?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while being questioned. Questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Yes or no?
Stop! No, I don't.
Do you want to
I told
talk?
you I want to get the doctor's check. I told you I was poisoned.
Okay, we done. Now you're gonna be checked by a doctor. You can stand up.
No, I'm not. I'm going to vomit.
You wanna see
Stop it.
you wanna see a doctor? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then stand up.
But I
Let's go.
can't yet, okay? I'll stand up when I feel like it.
Stand up.
I'll stand up when I want to stand up.
Well, no, I'm gonna stand you up if you're not
Oh,
gonna
that's
stand
what I'm saying. You beat me again. You touched me. You touched
up.
me.
Then stand up.
911!
Then stand up.
Fucking touch me.
Stand up,
You don't
please.
put one finger on me.
I don't wanna do it.
You're right fired. Don't put one fucking finger on me.
Then just stand up, please.
Stay away from it. 911!
Can you stand up?
Tell him not to touch me,
I'm
sir.
done.
I don't want him touching me.
She is poisoned. She needs to see a
I don't
doctor.
want.
Have a seat in here. Ma'am.
I'm gonna go to fucking.
This way.
I'm gonna go to the poison check. It's poison.
Alright, check your poison.
What?
Go.
Georgiana was charged with DUI and resisting an officer without violence following her arrest by Monroe County deputies. Prosecutors later dropped the resisting charge. She entered a no-contest plea to the DUI, and the court adjudicated her guilty, sentencing her to 12 months of probation with fines and court costs.
That's not a bad outcome, you know. It's not a bad outcome. Oh boy, she's a trip. She was trying everything in her power not to go to jail, man. And the cop did a great job, man. Both cops, because she came on to both cops. So cops did a great job, man. They stayed strong and took care of business, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.